morning you guys, welcome back to my channel and another day, another vlog. If I look really messy, that is just because I just woke up and it's 10 o'clock. I know काफ़ी late, but आज मेरा plans है, I am going out with my friends and आप लोगों को ये vlogs देखने में बहुत मज़ा आता है, मुझे बनाने में बहुत मज़ा आता है, so I'm gonna make it because मेरे friends are चलते फिरते content pieces. I'm gonna go have some tea, get ready. बाल बहुत oily हो रहे हैं, but I can't really wash my hair. बहुत मुझे मतलब lazy लग रहा है. I'm supposed to get out of the house by 11. पता नहीं एक घंटे में कितना ही मैं क्या ready हो पाऊंगी. But yeah, technically मैं उठ गई थी सुबह, but then I was feeling lazy, so मैंने थोड़ा phone scroll किया, फिर मुझे नींद आ गई, तो फिर से I took a 1 hour nap and now I'm finally up. But बहुत सारे काम हैं, एक घंटे में rush करके पता नहीं कैसे भी तो complete करना है. Also ignore the mess in the background. Anyways, let's get going. Done with chai pina and I had my black tea with the cookies which I made yesterday. काफ़ी tasty combination था, not gonna lie. And अभी मुझे मेरे कपड़े निकालने हैं. I could have ideally done it yesterday only, but actually I was watching Squid Games का season 2. I know very late to the trend. मेरा exams चल रहा था जब नया season निकला था, तो I could not really watch it. So better late than never. अभी मेरा last episode बचा है जो मैं आज घुमा के फिर मैं देखने वाली हूँ. थोड़ा suspense रखने दो. Yesterday also I was up quite at night, like 2 बजे तक मैं बस Squid Games ही देख रही थी, इसीलिए मैं लेट उठी भी for that matter. So let's go grab our clothes and bathe. I don't think I'm gonna shampoo even though my hair is really oily. Also बाहर weather kind of थोड़ा gloomy है, so I'm kind of scared कि बारिश ना हो जाए. आज के agenda में I'm gonna be going to Godiahat, meet my friends over there and most likely वहाँ से जाके we'll have some lunch somewhere nice and शायद हम लोग लेक जा सकते हैं रविंद्र सरोवर. Let's see वो होता है या नहीं, but primary agenda is shopping. मुझे थोड़े बहुत knickknacks, jewelry and ये सब खरीदने because सरस्वती पूजा is around the corner. So yeah, we'll see to that. Let's do a PR unboxing. मेरा अकस्मात PR पैकेज आ गया है. खुल जा भाई. Okay, so we have some goodies from Saint Botanica. One is their aloe and green tea and cucumber body wash, and I have another Moroccan argan shampoo. This shampoo is actually really nice. I do enjoy Saint Botanica ki shampoos, and yeah, very excited to try them on. I've bathed and this is my outfit. I'm wearing this kurti and uske niche jeans hai, if you guys can see, and I'm officially running really late. It's almost 11 right now. Mera breakfast bacha hai. Also I'm gonna have to do my makeup. Not gonna show the process. It's the same whatever I do every time. The base routine is absolutely the same as my Saraswati Puja makeup tutorial. The full blown tutorial is probably up on my channel at this point, so y'all can check that out. Also YouTube shorts and Instagram reels pe bhi hai, so I'm gonna link that down as well, so check that out. Also I have done a little hack क्योंकि मेरा बाल बहुत greasy लग रहा था. I have just washed the front part of my hair. पता नहीं कैसा लगेगा, if it will work out or not, and the rest of my hair is pretty dry, so I hope that works out in my favor. This is my breakfast. I know it looks sick, but it's actually called doi chire and I quite like it. This without sugar, just yogurt and chire मतलब पोहा जिसको बोलते हैं. I am all ready and running super late. If you guys didn't already know, it's 11:30 past 11:30 and I'm gonna head out now. I've taken this red shawl to complement with my black kurti and wearing some Chand Badis, smartwatch classic Shritama move, and let's go. Do let me know in the comments मेरा makeup कैसा लग रहा है. I think it looks bomb AF and मैंने red lip पहना है for a change, trying something bold 2025. Let's see new things, but yeah, let's go without blabbering much because I'm running really late now. I've headed out of my house and I'm gonna have to take the bus right now because if I didn't mention I'm going to Godiahat. It's quite far away from my house, so I'm gonna have to take the bus. So yeah. I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for. I have reached, but unfortunately all of my friends are late. पता नहीं which parallel universe we are living in. Even after running late, I am on time. The first time, been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. Hello guys, I had forgotten to vlog. I have met up with Ishani, Gargi ekhona asheni, and we are headed to Zudio as usual. And ekta meme ache na, pashe log ka naam ache. Same. Also, please rate her outfits in the comments. I think it looks very cool. She's giving Hawaiian uncle vibes. Uncle? I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair because this is peak girlhood coming to Zudio and सारे perfume अपने body पे लगाना. Successfully burned a hole in my pocket Zudio में जाके. अभी we are gonna probably buy some knickknacks here and there and then go for lunch.
300 का माल खर्च गया पूरा.
मेरा पूरा 500. I have spent 500.
I have spent only 200.
Nobody asked you. She was going to actually spend 1000 एक कपड़ा लेने वाली थी, but we discouraged her not to.
although আমি এনকারেজ করছিলাম
but it was not worth 700 ka.
so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my
You want to update our viewers
about what
where we are going next?
आगे चल रहे हैं इधर जा रहे हैं
हम लोग most likely Mandarin जा रहे हैं, which is in Teshopia Park, which is one of our favorite kind of Chinese restaurants. अरे अपना phone टा actually रखो. ठीक আছে. Don't listen to her. She's extremely racist.
Okay.
So we are gonna have some lunch and then most likely we can go near Gargi's house. वहाँ पे भी एक मेला चल रहा है and you know us, we can never have enough oxidized jewelry or anything in general. So we are gonna go there. But फिलहाल let's do some pet puja.
life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first.
So we've come here at Mandarin to eat our lunch. Hi. Sit there. Out the
no please you go inside
Say hi to Hawaiian uncle.
hello
So as I was saying, the food here is actually really good and the quantity is also quite a lot. Okay.
ভাই স্টিভেন এই মালটা কি করে সব গেস করে
Because I am an OP guesser, ঠিক আছে? Yes.
আমি ওজি
I don't. Yes, you are an OP drawer, I am an OP guesser and you are useless.
First time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever.
How is the food, ma'am?
Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
We have stopped in front of Lake Market to buy flowers. We've gotten lilies and one peach color का rose. अभी we are getting that one. बहन कितना पैसा है? रोज ही खरीदे जा रही है. We got flowers for each other and now we've come to Lake Mall to either grab some coffee or ice cream or maybe both. तो पहले शायद ice cream खाएंगे. We are right in front of the soft world. So these are the lavenders that you get in Kolkata. But anyways, I'm really happy I got lavenders for myself. किसी ने नहीं दिया इसीलिए खुद को दे. How do you feel? Thank you. Oh. Yes.
मैं खुद को ये गिफ्ट की हूँ
I can buy myself flowers.
I can buy myself
Say flowers. Write my name in sand.
I'm so happy
Yes, if nobody gives you flowers, gift yourself. It's a very important thing to do.
Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
Hi guys, I have just returned home and I thought why not share with you guys कि मैंने आज क्या क्या खरीदा because थोड़ा करके मैंने बहुत खर्चा कर लिया and I just want to share like a mini haul क्योंकि I've not done like a full-fledged haul in a really long time. So I'm just gonna show you guys कि मैंने क्या खरीदा and I'm really dead tired. I'm gonna quickly just show you guys these things and just freshen up because this makeup feels like a layer of cake on my face. Also I must say कि मेरा makeup पूरा दिन टिका. I'm really proud of it and that's because it's winter. Honestly अगर गर्मी होती तो मतलब पूरा पिघल के अब तक मैं भूत बन गई थी. But anyways, without me blabbering much, let's start with the first thing. And those are flowers. This is यहाँ पे lavender यही मिलता है lavender बोल के. Ishani got these for me and I got her lilies. So yeah, but lavender के नाम पे ये मिलेगा. But I'm really happy that I got this. Next thing which I have is actually very special. It's a blouse and most probably this is the blouse that I'm going to be wearing for Saraswati Puja. I know very bold of me. It's a very deep V-cut sort of a blouse, but I'm really excited. Normally I do not wear sleeveless, but you know 2025 I'm trying to experiment. I'm trying to grow out of my comfort zone, so we'll definitely try this. But इसको पहले alter करवाना पड़ेगा up to my size. You can see here like there's a lot of kapda inside, so I'm gonna have to get it altered. The next things which I have, I feel like I overpaid for these a little, and these are actually sweaters. So Goria Hat and New Market, all these places you'll get like bulk में ऐसे 50 rupees, 100 rupees में ऐसे kind of woolen material के sweaters. But I'm really glad with the purchase. Now this is what the first one looks like. It's very Korean aesthetic, if you will, if you know, full sleeve sweater, and this one was for 150. I honestly quite like it. काफी stretchy है, so it's gonna fit. It's like a one size fit all kind of a situation. And the second one is also extremely pretty, like very cozy coffee-ish colors, and इसमें तो थोड़े button details भी है on the sleeve, so I really love that. Honestly, out of the two, I think I'm a bit more biased towards this one. This just screams like that winter hot chocolate coffee sort of a situation. Next, I got a bunch of stuff from Zudio actually, so I'm gonna have to see that. It's all in my bag. Okay, so the first thing which I got from Zudio was these eye patches, and this is actually a great deal. You get 10 eye patches for ₹50, so honestly a steal deal. Dekhte if it works out for me or not. Next, I have wet wipes. Honestly, I do not use wet wipes on my face. I actually use it to clean surfaces or my sneakers को clean करने के लिए wet wipes are really essential. So I got this. Again, this one was for ₹30. Okay, now I think I went a little crazy, and every time I go to Zudio, मैं lip products देख के मैं पिघल जाती हूँ. So I got 2 lip products जिसकी मुझे जरूरत थी नहीं, but one is called a lip mousse in the shade Choco Sin, and one is in the shade Berry Blast. It's their normal liquid lipstick. Now मुझे इन liquid lipsticks का formula I really love, and this Choco Mousse का color I really love. It's like a dark chocolatey brown. Not like मेरे पास 1000 chocolate brown shades नहीं है, but definitely got some for myself. Next thing, this is not from Zudio, but this is like a very random headphone. 50 रुपए मुझे मिल गया था. It had a mic, so I got it because you know Bluetooth earphones oftentimes Google Meet कर रहे हो and stuff, it really lags. So this one is really handy. Next item was from Zudio. I got this eyeliner only for ₹99 क्योंकि मुझे एक eyeliner चाहिए था. The one which I'm currently using, it's a bit sticky. मतलब लगाते ही it gets थोड़ा सा uncomfortable and चिपचिपा on the eye. So let's see ये वैसा है क्या नहीं. This was again only for ₹99. Next thing I have is a beautiful sort of a gajra. This is sort of a mogra scrunchie if you will. And normally मैं जूड़ा बनाती नहीं. I don't make a bun and go out. So I think I'm going to use it as like a bracelet or something. Or maybe if I do a ponytail I can use that. So again very very great. This was only for ₹30. And the last thing which I have with me is a nose pin. And ये मैंने बहुत ही randomly उठा लिया था because the most likely the साड़ी which I'm going to wear for Saraswati Puja is going to be golden in color. And मेरे पास golden nose pin था नहीं, तो मैंने एक ऐसा बहुत रैंडम नोज पिन उठा लिया बिना ट्राई किए भी. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट लुक्स ऑन अस. दिस इज व्हाट द नोज पिन लुक्स लाइक. आई रियली डोंट नो कैसा लग रहा है, बट विल सी. ऑल्सो आई एम थोड़ा सा स्नीक पिक दिखा रही हूँ अबाउट द सरस्वती पूजा थिंग्स बिकॉज आई एम गोना कंबाइन इट ऑल इन वन व्लॉग. आई एम गोना बी व्लॉगिंग एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डे. सो मैंने आज व्लॉग किया. आई थिंक आई एम गोना व्लॉग अगेन ऑन 31st एंड अगेन आई एम गोना व्लॉग ऑन 2nd which is mainly सरस्वती पूजा. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Hey guys, good morning. I am not gonna show my entire face क्योंकि मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है. Today is the second day of the vlog and I'm gonna be going out with my friend, my bestest friend in the whole entire world, Diya Adhikari. We are going on a low-key date. It's been more than a month since I've met her last, so it's very important that we catch up. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit very quickly. My mummy literally woke me up today saying कि अपने outfits निकालो, and then she threw everything from the cupboard क्योंकि I always keep saying I don't have any clothes, and then she proceeded to show me कि see you have everything, but I actually don't. So anyways, I'm gonna go and sort out my outfit. And आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं, experimental करते हैं, देखते क्या करते हैं. But yeah. So this is the top which I bought last day and I was trying it on. I think मैं यही पहन के जाऊंगी in all probability because मेरे पास कपड़े नहीं है. Yes.
Always falling for the wrong guy.
Hello Munchkins, and this is finally the outfit I'm wearing. My brown top with my flared jeans, my absolute favorite. I'm running supremely late. अभी already 11 बज चुका है. I really doubt मैं 11:30 तक भी निकल पाऊंगी या नहीं. But yeah, let's go, get ready, get our makeup done, and I'm gonna utilize this winter to the fullest. जितनी बार makeup कर सकती हूँ कर लूँगी because Lord knows summer में मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी because it's gonna be an all sweaty and oily mess. So let's get our makeup done. Okay, I'm somewhat done with the makeup. Lips are left, but quickly just let's go grab some breakfast. अभी it's 11:15. Within 15 minutes, I should be good to go head out. But yeah, this is what my makeup looks like.
They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind?
So I had completely forgotten the fact that I was vlogging. But I'm all ready and this is my outfit. I've taken this scarf. My whole makeup today is giving very fall vibes. Like with the lipstick and the top and everything.
I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into
I'm going to ask you a question. Once we reach there, you're going to have to answer it. Okay?
Where?
Yes.
my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there?
What is your question, madam?
Okay, yeah, now I have a question to you. Who is your bestest friend in the entire world and why is it me?
Okay. I was like, you already know that
Yeah.
you are my bestest friend.
And why? Why is it me?
Because you have been my friend since like class 7. But we weren't best friends back then.
Yes.
You wrote like, I used to think that you were selfish or something.
Yeah.
And all of those things.
We can have a whole blown movie about us. Honestly, it is so dramatic.
Very dramatic. We had hike. First we had WhatsApp. Then we had fight. Then we went to hike. And then message you get you.
Huh? SMS? Yeah.
SMS, hike, and then we came back to WhatsApp.
WhatsApp?
Because, I don't know.
Instagram, beach mein?
Instagram, yeah. And then we used to be cringe, very
Yes.
cringe. So, like, you know.
But
I
we
can be
own
cringe
it at
with you.
least, yeah.
I can be cringe with you.
Yes.
And you're my best friend. That's why.
Aww.
Also more things like there's
Yes,
a lot
yes,
of
yes,
things
yes.
to say. Well, 1 घंटा bookie.
ना ना थक कट कर देना.
Take you there, like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there?
Okay, now tell me, how did you like the food?
Very good.
I know it was
Very
so
good.
It was so good. It was so underrated. I want to come here since 2024.
It was
actually.
very good.
But yeah, it was really really good.
Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
Can I take you there?
Can I take you?
I can only be this cringe with you only. Otherwise, बाकी सबके साथ I am very practical.
Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
After one hell of a day, I am back home and supremely tired and exhausted, if you guys can't tell. But today was a very very fun outing. I met Diya after almost a month actually. हम लोग last मिले थे when we went to Molli Ghat for our photo shoot. The pictures are there on the Instagram, so you can check that out as well. Anyways, right now I'm gonna go have some tea, take off this makeup and freshen up a bit. And I think अभी मेरा blouse जो है जो मैं खरीद के लाई थी last day is gonna go get altered for Saraswati Puja. So we're gonna get the measurements for that as well. And I'm gonna next again vlog on the main Saraswati Puja. Like हमारे घर में second को हो रहा है and probably again on third because मेरा थोड़ा plans है with my college friends. Maybe I'll go out, so we'll see that to that as well. But for now, let's just go wash this entire face because I'm exhausted to say the least. But yeah, today's fit was a serve. And who's gonna say this only retails for rupees 150?
Can I take you there?
Hey guys, and welcome to day 3 of my vlog. And today is Saraswati Puja officially in my house. आज ही मना रहे. And I'm all ready. I woke up actually 1 hour ago like a good girl. मैंने shampoo कर लिया and did all my skincare and everything. And I've worn this beautiful chikankari yellowish anarkali. And I'm just in love with this fit. It's actually my sister's. उसने कभी नहीं पहना तो मैंने I just stole it from her wardrobe. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna get ready थोड़ा सा. Every year Saraswati Puja में I have 2 outfits. The first one is the kurti जो पहन के मैं पूजा में बैठती हूँ and then I'll change into a sari. So that's also my plan for today. And for sari I have actually planned a kind of a risky blouse वाला साड़ी. So देखते हैं कि वो पहनते हैं कैसे करते हैं. Also the sari is Rani pink in color and my nickname at my house is Rani. So Rani in a Rani pink sari. Quite fitting like that actually. But yeah, right now I'm gonna just just accessorize a bit. I'm not gonna apply any makeup right now. Maybe just like a lip tint or something. This fit is honestly fitting and I love it. Is it just me या फिर like आप लोग भी पहले से सोच के रखते हो कि क्या कैप्शन दोगे and all? Because right now I'm gonna wear a earring and a ear cuff जिस पे नूर लिखा है. तो I have all these नूर वाले songs ready in my head like कभी उसे नूर नूर कहता हूँ या फिर वो नूर का झरना है मैं प्यास पुरानी. And I've like thought all of these things and पहले से planning करके रखी कि ये करेंगे. Is it just me or you guys are also like that? Do let me know in the comments. But yeah, without me blabbering, let's just get ready. Also, the puja is gonna start from around 12:30ish. Pandit ji आएंगे. Also, my best friend Diya is again coming. I think at this point, this is like a small little ritual of ours. कि I invite her to my house for puja. Also, major missing my sister. She's in a hostel. Missing her anyways. I'm wearing her clothes, so don't mind me, Didi. So I've applied a little bit of lipstick and these are the earrings I'm wearing, yellow complementing with this. And this is the Noor wala ear cuff which I was saying, as you guys can see. Very, very pretty. Let's go upstairs, help my dad with the preps of the pujo. And yeah, also I think I'm gonna let my hair be like this because it's still wet from the shampoo. So I'm gonna let it naturally air dry. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I just love festivals. And this छोटे छोटे घर के जो पूजा होते हैं, I just love them. Not updated in a long while. It's 12:30, 12:40 almost. हमारे घर की पूजा अभी भी शुरू नहीं हुई है. The Pandit ji, he literally just came in right now. He was supposed to come 1 hour ago, but बीच में we were being ghosted by Pandit ji, if you will. But yeah, he's finally come. His phone was out of network for the longest time and we were freaking out कि पूजा होगी भी या नहीं. But luckily now he's here. अब start होगा and yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs. got done with the puja. It was so wholesome. And मैंने इधर उधर थोड़े बहुत clips लिए हैं. So Diya is gonna come in some time. So I have to go and change right now. Let me quickly wear my risque sari. And also we're gonna have some lunch. Normal bhog khichdi and either begun bhaja or aloo bhaja or maybe both. I don't know. But yeah, let's go quickly change and get some makeup done. Say hi. Hi, vlog for the future kids of Diya. This is her.
Only mine? Yours too?
No. I don't believe in all that. Hi, future kids. I am your cool aunt. Hopefully by then we'll still stick around. The earring was given. The earring was given to throw you off. Okay. Maha. It was very apt. Okay. We are sitting to play a round of Guess Who. Wanna say something, Vasti?
We always play board games. when we are
Yes.
together.
How was your day today? Just asking.
The best.
Aww.
Always. Every year.
Also, एक दिन का festivities खत्म नहीं हुआ. We have already started planning for Holi.
So first it's your birthday, the biggest occasion of the year.
Oh, okay. And then Holi. Yes, doing something unholy on Holi.
Unholy though.
Yes. Diya has just left and I am supremely tired, to say the least. It's literally 9 o'clock, but I had a super fun day, but I need to take off the sari and take off this makeup because I'm feeling very tired. So yeah, that was it for Saraswati Puja. Tomorrow I think I have plans with my college friends. Abhi bhi kuch final nahi hua hai. So maybe I am going to be continuing this vlog tomorrow and call it a vlog, like end the vlog maybe tomorrow as well. But anyways, this was the fit. I had a super fun Saraswati Puja, and also I did not film the dinner part. We just ordered some food from 6 Baliganj place. Obviously everything veg because it's a puja. So we just had that and that's all. But today's fit has just fitted like no other fit before, and I'm definitely proud of my first sari look of the year. Good morning guys, again forehead vlogging. Shritama is back. I have just woken up. It is the last day of the vlog, or I hope so. Today is 3rd of Feb and technically 2nd day of Saraswati Puja, and I am going to be going out today. I have woken up super late. It's 10:30 right now and I'm supposed to leave my house by 12. So about the plans, actually I'm going out with my college friends and most likely we'll be visiting a few pandals here and there. आज का मेरा plan है थोड़ा Bengali-ish सजना. Yesterday I had done a very modern contemporary sort of a look, and today I want to go out a little traditional Bengali-ish. I'm not going to do much makeup today, keep the skin very light actually, and wear like a more Bengali-ish sari, or I hope so. Hopefully let's get ready by 12. I'm all ready and this is my outfit for Bashanta Panchami. I am wearing a yellow sari, very fitting, and I've dressed up in all traditional, like, you know, typical that Bengali look, oxidized jewelry and all. It's almost 12 right now and I'm gonna head out shortly, just collect a few of my belongings and then we'll go. Hey guys, slight change in plans. I'm gonna have to sit here and wait because none of my friends with whom I'm going out are ready, and for the first time whenever I am not running late, everyone else will be running late. So मतलब hypocrisy हो गया, मतलब karma is coming back to me. Anyways, we'll just sit and wait, and और क्या कर सकते हैं. Hi, we are Mohammed. देखा असली रूप सामने आ गया. Just got done with the Chorbagan Thakur, and we are simping on Gargi.
Yes, she's looking
She's
so
looking so
pretty.
hot.
Oh my
Exactly.
God. My side chick.
We are straight.
See my choice.
We are extremely
My
straight,
side
but we are simping on Gargi.
Yeah. Hello guys, we are here. There are many people. No, Kuncha, hi guys. Hi guys. We are here at Hello guys. How are you guys? I know you have missed me, so I'm back.
Who missed you? No one, literally no one. But we are always there with everyone.
Yes.
He also
See my side chick. This is my main chick. This is side chick.
got to speak anymore in the vlog because I was so busy enjoying with my friends. But I am done with the day and right now I'm going back home. I'm supremely tired, as you can tell by my faces. Also, I highly doubt कि आप लोगों को कुछ सुनाई दे रहा होगा. So I'm gonna go back home and then vlog again. So guys, that's it for this video, and clearly this is editing Shritama, who has completely forgotten to vlog after coming back home. But anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you very soon with a very fun vlog, which is of course my birthday vlog. So stay tuned for that, and I love you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.